Greetings to you. I am the avatar of Nicolas Desjardins, founder of Q Technology. Why did I choose to speak to you in this format? Because I only speak French and English perfectly, but thanks to technology, I can offer you my message in more than 70 languages. And yes, I need you. But first, I will tell you my story. My personal quest to relieve my pain and restore my balance has always guided my journey. As a child, I already wore orthopedic insoles, designed by a podiatrist for pain in my feet and knees. However, at the age of 18, the joint pain became unbearable and forced me to wear additional orthotics to realign my legs, following the failure of orthopedic approaches to the foot. Over the years, I have met specialists in osteopathy, chiropractic, naturopathy, and many other alternative disciplines, but also forms of medicine addressing the vital body, which we could call energy. These experiences have awakened in me a fascination for the human body and unconventional therapeutic approaches. I myself became a massage therapist and continued my studies alongside the greatest specialists in joint realignment, functional neurology, posturology, and functional training. I also realized that our modern environment imposes constraints on the body for which it is not adapted: processed food, sedentary lifestyle, prolonged uncomfortable postures, etc. These imbalances called for new solutions, capable of addressing the very source of our ailments. This realization led me to train intensively and to found centers dedicated to human performance, such as the Primal Camp Athletic Development Center, and later, the Neuro Performance Institute, which became Academia Noyera. I was fortunate in this adventure to travel to nearly 50 countries, often to study or teach. At the time, I did not yet know that my musculoskeletal disorders came from an autoimmune disease, which later declared itself as severe ulcerative colitis. This condition brought me close to death on several occasions, particularly during the early development of the first Q technology. These traumatic events triggered in me a deep desire to understand what makes the body sick and what promotes its healing. Until then, I thought I was strong enough, almost immortal, but life took pleasure in showing me who was the master. I could no longer devote myself to healing others without taking more serious care of myself. I also realized that taking care of musculoskeletal conditions was much easier than preventing the body from attacking its own cells in this increasingly toxic world. My path then led me to the exploration of subtle sciences, including the invisible world of frequencies and electromagnetic waves, which I wanted to understand and use for healing. I had first trained in electrotherapy in the United States and on the frequencies that interact with the skin of the foot in posturology, according to the research of Jean-Pierre Rolle, as well as understanding the intervention of the neurological system in its fight against gravity. Then I developed methods and training on the electrophysiology of the skin and its interactions with the central nervous system. In 2023, I completed a doctorate in integrative medicine, where I discovered the fundamental link between quantum physics and medicine. This course strengthened my understanding of physics, an essential component for understanding the influence of electromagnetic fields and frequencies on our biology. This research and collaboration with other experts laid the foundations for Q Technology. I have worked hand in hand for the last 5 years with an extraordinary engineer to develop our various technologies, to offer concrete solutions for postural rebalancing and the nervous system, which regulates our body as best it can every second. When effective, it keeps us away from illness and keeps us healthy. Designed with natural frequencies, a clever mix of biophysics, neuroscience, and engineering, these technologies allow everyone to optimize their health and performance in resonance with our biology. My mission today is simple: to allow everyone to discover their maximum potential by finding harmony between body and mind. Because I am convinced that by reconnecting with our fundamental biology, we can transform our quality of life. This is my mission on Earth, especially in recent years, since life allowed me to survive the hospitalizations caused by my illness. I need you. Help me bring every living being on Earth closer to their original frequencies. I hope to have the chance to meet you face to face and know your story too. Until then, I leave you in the good hands of my avatar colleagues, who will tell you more about Q Technology and the opportunity to work with us. Thank you.